Hi guys, here we have 3 minus 6 times 2 this parenthesis, which is 3 minus 6. So 3 minus 6 equals to negative 3. And here again 3 minus 6 equals to negative 3. Here we have multiplication. Negative 3 times 2 negative 3 equals to 9. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, which is PEMDAS, P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication and division, and then A and S stands for addition and subtraction. And we have to do in this order from left to right. So in this expression, we have to do the parentheses first. 3 minus 6 equals negative 3. So we have 3 minus 6. Here we have multiplication. Multiplication by minus 3. So according to the PEMDAS, first we have to do this multiplication and then this subtraction. 6 times negative 3 equals negative 18. So we have 3 minus negative 18. These two minus equals to positive. 3 plus 18 equals to 21. So this is our answer. Subscribe for more daily puzzles, brain teasers, and IQ tests.